What's up guys, welcome for today's tutorial, and we're going to make a vintage text effect, and follow us. It's very easy. First we're going to make new composition and name it TextComp. First add the text layer and write down your text and make it align to the center. We're going to start our animation, and we're going to add position and change the parameter of position. After that, add weekly. From weekly, random speed. Press hold alt and press on random speed and write this expression. We're going to add the effect. Go to effect panel and write roughen edge. Drag it on the text layer and change the parameters as is in the video. Next we're going to add turbulent displays and drag it on text layer. Change the parameter as in the video. Hold alt and click on evolution and write this expression. Let's check our animation. After that, we are going to add displacement map on our text layer. After that, we are going to make a new solid color and name it displacement map. And put it in the bottom of text layer. We're going to add turbulent noise effect on the displacement map. Change the parameters as in the video. Just follow us guys. If you guys has any question, you guys can write it in comment below, and definitely I will reply it. Change the parameters as in the video. Make it 2000. Hold alt and press on evolution and write this expression. And if it was showing error, so just put a number on the post rise time and it will be okay. Let's check our animation. Up to now it looks very nice, so we're going to duplicate the turbulent noise and change the parameters of the duplicate layer. And now we're going to add a scatter effect on the displacement map and change it to 2. And from the text layer we're going to effect and found displacement map, and we have to change it now. Press hold Alt and press on max horizontal displacement, and we're going to write these expressions. It looks very nice. Let's change this evolution parameter a bit. Let's sync the text layer to displacement map and change the Luma matte selection, and duplicate the text and put it in bottom of first text. And from the layer of second text, write down these expressions. Go to text panel, and this second text layer should be a bit bigger than first. Align it to the center, and from here we're going to change turbulent displacement. Let me find it. Yeah, here. Change this expression. Go to effect panel, and we're going to add Gaussian blur. Put it on second layer, second text layer, and change the blurriness to 40. After that we're going to add CC lens on first text and change this to 178. Copy this and paste it on second layer and change this parameter to 135. Let's add this expression on the center. Let's check it. We're going to add a parameter for the size and write down this expression. It looks perfect. For the convergence, and write down this expression. Wiggle. By the way guys, if you guys like this tutorial, please like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. We're going to add a new solid and name it dots, and the color will be the dark black. And we're going to add CC ball action on the dot and change these numbers. Link it to the second layer of text and change this. Make a new adjustment layer, and we are going to add invert effect on that. After that, we are going to add displacement map on the adjustment layer. Let's check our animation, guys. Now we're going to add our footage, and you guys can use any noise effect that you guys can find. I just find it from the internet. Disable that noise layer and change the displacement effect that we add. We're going to add transform effect on the adjustment layer, and we're going to write this expression on position. We are going to add post-rise time on effect on the adjustment layer and change this to 15 frame rate. Now we are going to add noise and change it to 10%. Let's add the new solid color and name it background, and we're going to choose off-white. Move it to bottom. We're going to add second effect. You guys can find it in internet. Now we're going to add invert effect on this layer and change it to multiply. We're going to add 3D glasses effect on the font layer, and we have to move it to the top. And we're going to duplicate this 3D glass, and we have to paste it on second layer. First change it to dissolve just copy this and paste it here. After that, we have to move this 3D effect to the top. And change again the parameters. And dissolve mode should be dissolve. And let's see guys.